Bad driver switches lanes without looking and forces other drivers out of it.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh, he's gonna go across this car. Jeepers.
Doesn't matter.
Oh! Slow down.
Get out of my way.
He's trying to get past that car now.
Freaking clown. He's not looking.
He's not looking. He just thinks I'm a big caravan.
This driver said that he admits that he was a bit aggressive on the horn, but people at this intersection refuse to yield to oncoming traffic daily.
What's a stop sign? You just don't know what stop signs are, do you? You are my neighbor.
Check out what happened to this driver while waiting for the traffic lights.
I'm sitting here at the light at Floyd and Oakdale, and the left turn will not switch. Oh my God, what the f***? I just got hit. Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you kidding?
You stupid and he went up the wrong way too. Jesus.
This Tesla owner had road rage moment with angry driver who sideswiped him. Red light runner caused an accident. Luckily, this driver's dash cam recorded everything.
So this the Ford ran the light. So I'm gonna stay around. Let this person know.
Hey, sir.
Are you okay?
We got that on dash camera.
I have a camera in this car. I caught that car running that red light. So I'm going to pull over up here.
Was actually he's in prison now. Was in prison for challenging his...
Fool.
Semi-truck makes a U-turn too fast and crosses 3 lanes. driver from the far right lane tried to turn left and got T-boned.
Violence and crime. It's been rising on the island since the assassination of Haiti's president Jovenel Moïse 2 years ago. Jacqueline Charles with the Miami Herald has more.
It's been 9 months since the Haitian government requested international help. We've seen Jamaica set their ability to
Red light runner T-bones car that had right of way. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.